Hello children, welcome to today's session. So, everyone take your Maths Studio Kanna. Take pencil along with you. I hope everyone completed your home fun. Now see Kanna, take page number 76. We are going to see the Look Beyond activity 4.10. Okay, see here. Some people have easy access to water in their houses by opening the tap. Okay, so in your home you will be having tap, no? So you will be using water from the tap, isn't it? Yes. So some people have easy access to water. So in our homes and all we will be having tap. So the water will come from the tap and we will use water for all the purposes, isn't it? Yes. So washing clothes and washing the vessels and for cooking purposes and to take bath. So for all these purposes we use water. We need water, isn't it? Yes. In some places like Rajasthan, people have to walk long distance. Okay. So in places Rajasthan, okay, there people have to walk long distance. So in their home and all, they don't have tap. Okay. So there and all, water is not much. So they want to walk a long distance to collect the water. So how they will collect the water? See in the picture, these are the paths. Okay, so they will bring water using these paths. So they have to walk a long distance to collect a few pots of water for their daily needs. Okay, so like us, they don't have taps and all. Okay, they don't have much water in their places. So what they are doing? So they want water, no, for their purpose, for washing, for cooking and for taking bath they need water. So what they are doing? They are traveling. So they have to walk long distance to collect water. Okay, see in the picture they have given Kanna. So they will be using water using these paths. So see this is a well. Okay, so this is a well. From this well they are collecting water. Okay, so what you have to do, see, can you think of an idea to make it easier for people to collect water? So what you have to do, you have to think of an idea. Okay, so what will be easy for them to collect water? Like that you have to think and you have to draw it here. So they have given picture one well. Okay, so this is a well, the water will be there. The water will be inside the well. So they are collecting water from this well. Okay, like that you want to think your own idea. Okay, so how it makes easy for people to collect water. Like that you can draw it here. Okay, so they have given the spaces Kanna. You want to draw some picture. So to collect water. Okay, so this one you have to do by yourself. Okay, if you want you can discuss with your parents also and you can think an idea. Okay, so you can discuss with your parents and which makes it easier for people to collect water. You can draw the picture here. Okay, yes. Now next we are going to see the Think and Ink activity. Take page number 77. Okay, now we are going to see Think and Ink activity 4.11. Now listen here children. Kumar is a farmer. Okay, who is Kumar? Kumar is a farmer. He has to water the plants on his farm. So he has to water the plants. So what he want? He want water. Okay, so he want to water the plants. So he must need water. So his farm has, see, 12 this big tank. Okay, so this big can. So this is a big can and his farm has 12 big cans. In his farm he has 12 big cans like this. Okay, so see they have given hints here. One big can holds 200 bucket of water. Okay, so if you pour 200 buckets inside this one can will filled with water. Okay. Yes. Next, one bucket holds 10 glass of water. Okay. So, one bucket holds 10 glass of water. So, you just underline Kanna. one big can holds 200 bucket of water. Okay, and one bucket of water holds 10 glass of water. Okay, yes. So now for one plant, how much of water he want to pour? So he needs 1 glass of water he want to pour for a plant. Okay, so they have given the hints here. So listen here, Kanna. So Kumar has a farm. Okay, Kumar is a farmer and he has to water the plants on his farm. Okay, so his farm has how many large big cans, Kanna? 12 big cans. Okay, so his farm has 12 cans. 12 big cans he has. Okay, now see here, one big can holds how much of water? 200 bucket of water. Okay, so one big can holds 200 bucket of water and one bucket holds 10 glass of water. Okay, so if you pour 10 glass of water, then this bucket will become filled. Okay, this bucket fully filled. Yes. Next, one plant needs. Okay, so in his farm he has many plants, isn't it? Yes. So for one plant, how much of water he want to pour? 1 glass of water. He needs to pour water to this plant. Okay, now they have asked question C. The first one, number the containers from 1 to 3 according to their capacity. Okay, so according to their capacity, we want to number the containers 1 to 3 with 1 being the least. Okay, so which one is the least one? That you want to put 1. Okay, now see here, Kanna. So these are the containers. Okay, so you want to number the containers from 1 to 3 according to their capacity. So in this, which one is least, Kanna? Which is a small one? Smallest capacity. Which container is the smallest capacity? This glass. Okay, so according to their capacity, with 1 being the least. So this is a small one. So you want to put 1 here. And the second one is a bucket and the third one is a big can. Okay, Kanna? So this is the least capacity, small one, and the second one is bucket and the third one is a big can. Okay, now see here, second one, what is the capacity of the can they are asking? Okay, now you want to find the capacity of can. So one can equal to how many buckets of water? It holds, see here, they have given. So one big can holds how many bucket of water, Kanna? 200 bucket of water. Okay, so they have given this bucket picture. So you want to write 200. Okay, see here. So you want to write 200 bucket of water. Okay, now see here, dash glasses equal to dash buckets. Okay, so listen, come here, Kanna. So now this bucket, one bucket holds how many glasses of water? 10 glasses of water. Okay, so one bucket holds 10 glasses of water, and also you can see what they have asked. Dash glasses of water equal to dash bucket. So how many glasses of water equal to one bucket, Kanna? That only see. This is the vice versa. So one bucket of water holds 10 glasses of water, and you can think, see, 10 glasses of water holds one bucket. See, this only they have asked the question like that. So 10 glass of water, okay, holds how many bucket? One bucket. Okay, Kanna? See, this vice versa they have asked. So they have asked, this is the question. So dash glass of water equal to bucket. Like that they have given the question. See here. Dash glasses equal to dash bucket. They have given the question. But for us what they have given? 1 bucket holds. So 1 bucket holds 10 glass of water they have given. So they are asking the question in vice versa. So they have asked the question from here. Dash glass of water equal to dash bucket. So 10 glass of water equal to 1 bucket. That only you want to write here. 10 glasses equal to 1 bucket. Okay, so 10 glass of water only it holds 1 bucket. Okay, so 1 bucket holds 10 glass of water. So that only they have asked in vice versa. Okay, Kanna? Yes. Now see, which container has the maximum capacity? See, out of these 3 containers, which has the maximum capacity? Yes, very good. Big can. Okay. Yes, so this is a big can and this big can only maximum capacity. So you want to write can. Okay, so big can. Yes. Now which container has the minimum capacity, Kana? Which container has the minimum capacity? Minimum means least. Okay. So which container has the minimum? Yes, glass. Okay. So that you want to write in the dash. Very good. So you want to write here glass. Okay. So glass is the minimum capacity. And which one is the maximum capacity, Kana? Yes, this is a big can. So that holds more water, isn't it? Yes. So this big can only holds 200 bucket of water. So this is the maximum capacity. And glass of water is the minimum capacity. Okay? Yes. Now listen, children. Once again I will tell. So this is a think and ink activity. So Kumar is a farmer. He has to water the plants on his farm. Okay, so his farm has how many big cans, Kana? 12 big cans he has in his farm. So one big can holds 200 bucket of water. Okay, so this one big can holds how many bucket of water? 200 bucket of water it holds. And one bucket of water holds 10 glass of water. And one bucket holds 10 glass of water. And one plant needs 1 glass of water. Okay, so for a plant, okay, it needs 1 glass of water. So that is enough for this plant. Okay, so these are the hints they have given and they have asked 2 questions. Okay, the first one is number the containers from 1 to 3 according to their capacity, with 1 being the least. Okay, so least is the 1. That you want to make it as a 1. Okay. Now see here 3 containers they have given here. In this, which is the smallest one? Glass. Okay. So out of these 3, which is the smallest one, Kana? Yes, very good. Glass. Okay. So that you want to write 1. And next to that glass, which is the smallest? Either bucket or a can. Very good. Super dup. Bucket. Okay. So bucket is the smallest one when it is compared to this can. So that you have to put the number 2. And this is a big can that you want to put 3. Okay. So this is the big can. That is the number 3. Okay. Now they have asked the second question, Kana. What is the capacity of one big can equal to how many buckets? So this big can holds how many buckets of water, Kana? See, they have given here. Yes, 200 buckets of water. Yes, already they have given here 200 buckets of water. So you want to write 200 buckets. Okay. Yes. Next, dash glasses equal to dash bucket they have asked. So what they have given for us? 1 bucket holds 10 glass of water. So this only they have asked in vice versa. Okay. How many glass of water equal to dash bucket they have asked. So what you want to write? 10 glass of water equal to 1 bucket. Okay, so 1 bucket holds how many glass of water? 10 glass of water. Okay, Kanna? Yes. Now see third question. Which container has the maximum capacity? Okay, which container has the maximum capacity? See here. So these are the 3 containers we have marked. So out of these 3, which has the maximum capacity? Yes, superb. This is a big can. Yes, that will holds 200 bucket of water. So this is a big can. This can only holds 200 bucket of water. So this is the maximum capacity that you want to write a big can. Okay. And the second one is which container has the minimum capacity. Which is the minimum kana here? Minimum capacity? Glass. So that is the smallest one. Okay. So you want to write glass in this dash. Okay, Kanna? Yes. So do this look beyond activity. Okay. 4.10. See here. You want to draw the picture. Okay. So complete this. Okay, Kanna? Okay. Okay, Kanna, complete that activity. We can see in the next session. Bye.